Hello, fellow travelers!
Hello.
It's Neil here.
And I'm Kimberly.
And this is the Traveling Tour.
Tour.
As you can see at the sign behind us, we have arrived here at the Quality Inn Hotel near the Pittsburgh Airport.
Yeah.
And we thought that it might be nice to show you around at this hotel and let you see where we are staying.
Just for one night.
Just one night, that's right. All right, come on in. Kimberly, what is that I'm seeing on my left?
Well, I can tell you this. The Duchess would be proud because I found a pub.
Oh, the pub at Tonydale. Well, we may have to check that out later on.
I agree.
All right, sounds
now?
good. Okay, Kimberly, lead the way.
This way.
Thank you. Vending machine right away. Entering the lobby. Small but cozy for sure. And looks like they got some slot machines here. Some place to hang out, ATM. Leaflets of what's all there to do in the area. And looks like Kimberly found something else.
They are serving breakfast. Now their breakfast, according to this, through the week starts at 5:30. On weekends it starts at 6:30. And for early birds like us, we have an early flight. They also still have a hot breakfast with sandwiches and things you can either eat here or take with you.
Awesome. So this is where we will be having breakfast tomorrow. Well, tomorrow within a few hours. Because our flights are kind of early.
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
going to be harsh.
Yeah.
I mean, we are night owls after all. So, yeah, what time will we be having breakfast here?
We will be having breakfast probably about 4:45.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're going to check out our room. Well, we've already seen it,
Yeah.
but we're going to show you our room.
Mm-hmm.
So we found that it is not exactly a very long walk to the room. So we are in, what was it, 136?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, look, and some vending machines over here. Ice maker. One vending machine was out of service, but oh well. All right, there it is, our room. Non-smoking room, as is customary this day and age.
Although it does seem like they do have smoking rooms available here.
They do?
I believe so, because they were specific on asking me if I wanted smoking or not.
Huh, interesting. All right, so in order to open the door, you have your card key. So you just put it in like that, and then the door opens. So what we notice right off the bat is that the sink is, well, right in front of you as soon as you open the door, which reminds us of a particular resort that we stayed at in Mexico, Kimberly.
What resort could that be?
Yeah, something with Rio?
Maybe.
Maybe Rio Palace Peninsula?
Yes.
That was the one.
Yeah, and the Rio Palace Bavaro too had the same.
Yes, same setup.
We
yeah.
just don't talk about that one much.
Not exactly.
No.
All right, let's show you around in this room. So, as I said, you have your sink right here as you come in. So, a sink that is kind of separated from the rest of the bathroom, which is behind this mirrored door. So let's open that up. There we go. Very small bathroom, as you can see, with what at first sight appears to be just a toilet, but no, if you look here on the left hand side, there is a little tub in here with a shower. It's very small, but it will get the job done. Here's your towels. Right around the corner of the door there are some things over here. So you got an iron here, some hangers, ironing board, basically your standard stuff that you will find in a hotel room. No lack of light in this room, I'll say that.
No.
Bed. It's small, the room overall, but it's cozy. And it does have everything you need and a little bit more than that. So you get your TV here. You got some little artworks left and right. There is one over here as well. But this is where it gets so interesting, because small as the room is, it does come with a microwave. And it has a coffee maker with some, looks like some coffees and sugar and all that. And then below that, there is a little fridge. Which, as you can see, we are already using because we brought some drinks from home. The fridge is cool, it's working just fine. They did make sure there is plenty of mirrors in the room too. Also very convenient in this hotel room is the fact that there is a safe right here. So if you have any valuable belongings that you want to stow away safely, this will be the place to do it.
I do want to mention some things about this hotel. First of all, it's just fine for one night before a trip. I mean, this is literally just to stay at the airport and then go on our trip. It does have the shuttle included in the cost. So the nice thing is we're parking our car here. They're shuttling us to the airport so we don't have to worry about airport parking, and we get dropped off right at the door. And when we come back, they will pick us up at the airport. All I have to do is call. They'll pick us right up, bring us back to our car, and we can go home. Now, this hotel also, when you get the Park and Fly package, listen to this, comes with up to 30 days of parking. Yeah, 30 days.
That's more than 4 weeks.
Yes.
Wow.
So if you are in the Pittsburgh area and you are taking a trip, a longer trip from the Pittsburgh Airport, and you can't get dropped off or you want to have your car as soon as you get home, I think this would be a pretty good option because you're looking at a very low cost for that much parking. Now, of course, we're only parking here for 7 days this time. But on our next trip, if we use this hotel, that'll be a little longer. And on the next trip, it'll even be a little bit longer. So, like I said, it works out well.
So, now that we have showed you our hotel room, we're going to check out that bar.
Yeah.
All right, we're at the bar now, and they got some Stellas here.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh boy, this is really early, guys. 4:17 in the morning. Me and Kimberly got up, and now it is time to have some breakfast because in less than an hour we will be on the shuttle. Yeah, you hear us say that right, breakfast, because they serve that here really early, don't they, Kimberly?
Yeah. This is the starter kind of breakfast. It starts at 3:30.
Mm-hmm.
So it's more of a grab and go kind of thing, or you can sit down and eat it. And then I guess the real nice breakfast starts between 5:30 and 6:30, depending on if it's a weekday or a weekend.
All right, so let's show you what all they got here.
Sure.
Right here at the corner, some fruit. Looks like some muffins and some sliced bread here. Yogurt, cream cheese and butter. Microwave to heat some stuff up in. Condiments. Juice station. You can choose between orange juice, apple juice, cranberry juice and just water. I guess this is the part that won't get filled until later on. Looks like they usually have like bacon, sausage and egg patties in here. But they do seem to have some what is that, bagels and sandwiches ready. Oh look, a waffle station. That's good news. Looks like this is where the coffee is. And tea. Right there. Or hot cocoa, so you will. Sugar, cream. And we are quite literally the only ones in here. Behold, the lavish feast that is my breakfast. Banana, a muffin, and some coffee. What do you have, Kimberly?
I have a wonderful breakfast. I have a biscuit, and it has sausage, and it has egg, and it has cheese. In fact, all of the hot meals that are grab and go had cheese, so they're all delicious.
So that explains my lavish breakfast. Thanks so much for watching this travel vlog of ours about the quality in near Pittsburgh Airport.
Yes.
If you enjoyed this travel vlog, please be sure to give it a good old
Thumbs up.
And if you haven't done so yet, please
Subscribe.
Until next time, this is Neil.
And I'm Kimberly.
And this is
To
To Travel and
Travel
Tour.
and Tour.